In today's video, I'm going to teach you set up payment reminders based on due date, Zoho books. If you want your customers to get a nudge before or after an invoice is due, without sending those messages manually, this is the fastest way to set it up in Zoho books. Start by opening Zoho books and heading to the settings. Look to the top right corner of your screen and click the gear icon. In the settings panel, there's a search bar at the top. Type the word reminders and select the reminders option from the results. This is the central place where you control automatic payment reminders for your invoices. On the reminders page, you have two choices. You can create a new reminder from scratch, or you can edit one of the preset reminders that already exist. If you want a fresh setup, click New Reminder. If you prefer to use an existing template as your starting point, hover over it and click the three dots icon to edit. Either path works. It just depends on whether you want to build quickly from a preset or customize every detail. Next, fill in the reminder details. Since we're basing reminders on the due date, choose when the reminder should activate, such as a certain number of days before the due date, on the due date itself, or after it becomes overdue. This timing is the heart of the automation, so pick intervals that match your collection style, perhaps a gentle reminder a few days before due, and a firmer one shortly after if payment hasn't come through. While you're here, review the message content if it's visible in your setup, making sure the tone is clear, polite, and informative. Keep the focus on the invoice number, due date, and amount, and avoid adding any sensitive information. When you're satisfied with the timing and message, enable the reminder by checking the box labeled Enable Reminder. This switch is what makes the automation go live. Before you save, take a moment to confirm that the schedule aligns with your working days and that the language reflects your brand. Small tweaks now help avoid confusion later. Finally, click Save. That's all there is to it. Your reminder will now run on autopilot based on the due date rules you set. You can return to this page anytime to adjust the timing, fine-tune the wording, or disable a reminder if your policy changes. With this in place, you'll reduce late payments, keep your follow-ups consistent, and spend less time chasing invoices.